Ever wondered how a practice that originated over 5,000 years ago is still relevant and gaining popularity today? What if I told you this ancient discipline can enhance your physical health, mental power, and even lead to spiritual enlightenment? Yes, I'm talking about yoga. Yoga, a Sanskrit word meaning union, is the harmonious connection of the mind, body, and spirit. It is a holistic approach to well-being, which has been proven to enhance flexibility, strength, and mental clarity, while also reducing stress. Diving into the history of yoga, it was developed by the Indus-Sarasvati civilization in northern India over 5,000 years ago. The practice was documented in the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, a guide for living the right life. And now it has branched into various types, each offering unique benefits. For instance, Hatha yoga is the most common type, focusing on physical postures and breathing techniques. It improves flexibility, strength, and balance. Vinyasa yoga, on the other hand, is characterized by fluid transitions between poses. It's almost like a dance, enhancing cardiovascular fitness and muscle tone. And then there's Ashtanga yoga, a rigorous style that follows a specific sequence of poses. It's great for building core strength and toning the body. Bikram yoga, also known as hot yoga, is practiced in a heated room, promoting sweat to aid detoxification and flexibility. But yoga is not just about physical strength and flexibility. It also plays a significant role in mental health. Yoga's mind-body connection can help manage stress, anxiety, and even depression. The practice of mindfulness and deep breathing in yoga can lead to improved concentration, better mood, and overall mental well-being. Moreover, yoga can also boost your immunity. Certain poses stimulate the lymphatic system, aiding the body in flushing out toxins and enhancing immune functions. So, how do you get started with yoga? Begin by understanding your fitness level and what you want to achieve. Consult a yoga instructor, or better yet, join a class. Remember, it's essential to warm up before starting any yoga routine to prevent injuries. In conclusion, yoga is more than just a form of exercise. It's a practice that promotes a balanced lifestyle, harmonizing the body, mind, and spirit. Whether you're seeking physical strength, mental clarity, or spiritual tranquility, yoga offers a path towards achieving these goals. Remember, yoga is a journey. Don't be discouraged if you don't meet your expectations immediately. Everyone progresses at their own pace. Embrace the process and you'll soon start to feel better, becoming a better version of yourself.